Good morning, sir. Myself, Shashi.
So we share the
I'm from
common.
Tamil Nadu.
We share the same name, Shashi.
Yeah.
But I am
So
simple.
mine is Shashi
I am simple. My name, my initial, my spelling is only SASI. I am sure yours will be SHI.
Exactly. Yeah, that's correct. So my question is,
Which
this question
subject?
raised-
Which subject you teach and which class?
I'm KG2, sir. I'm in kindergarten.
Where Tamil Nadu? Which place?
Madurai.
Madurai. Yeah, beautiful city.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So my question, this question raised, keeping my boy, my own child in the mind, like the teacher are genuine, the teachers are hardworking, but when the child is not exactly supporting up to the mark, what should we do? The teacher is doing honestly, genuinely the work, but the child is not supporting towards that to that level. So what should we do?
The KG2. You know that I have got a grandma child care.
So it's not for KG. It's this question raised, keeping my own boy who is going to grade 9. I'm raising, keeping him in my mind. I raised this question, sir.
What is up to the grade means what? In terms of marks?
Yeah, so marks is also a part. Overall, like what is it? The teachers are giving everything. They are guiding properly, but he is not following everything. He is just so lethargic. He takes the things so easy.
Sinan, I am sorry. I have to tell my life story to you. In 8th grade, I was in one of the best schools in my district. All the principal was selected from the government service who are like a DEO, AEO. Very senior most best teachers were given the principal's charge, headmaster's charge. And they created a beautiful model school, 27 students. 10,000 children were supposed to write entrance exam to get admission there. And from my village, 22 kilometers away, only 2 students from the village got, me and my cousin. Because we were one of the brightest, supposed to be the brightest. So there were a lot of different districts. Most of the students used to travel 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers to reach the place called Taliparamba. Look at Tagore Vidya Niketan. That was a very special school with a concrete building first in the whole places. Otherwise, it was all thatched tile. And this was constructed new, large land. All the teachers, Malayalam teacher was like a pandit of Malayalam. In the whole district, whole state were the best teachers. All of them were pushed inside to make a special grade 1 brilliant students school. End of the 27 students, I was always keeping my rank where no competitors were able to get that rank. You know which is that rank? 27th rank. At the end of the academic year, I was given a transfer certificate telling that you will be spoiling the name of the school because they were sure those days 60% is first class. They were sure I will not score first class in 10th class. They don't want to take a chance of continuing me in 9th and 10th in the same school. After 8th, they have given me a pass only when I gave an agreement. My parents gave an agreement. My guardians gave an agreement saying that I will accept a transfer certificate and say bye-bye to that school. My teachers were brilliant enough, wise enough. Whatever they said that I did not get 60% in my 10th class, not in 12th class. But I became 5th rank in my graduation, 2nd rank in my post-graduation, 1st rank in my MPhil. I finished my PhD and MPhil in 3 years. And when I look back, none of the 27 students got into a government job which has got a position equal to me. And I was called back into the same school for giving prizes for A+ winners because the present principal who were running during that time, 3 years back, I went there. He didn't know that I was an old student there. I was invited in many places. I was also invited there. Immediately I went back to that classroom that has become a big hall now. And that was the place where I was having this function. I said, same place my physics teacher used to call me and make me to stand in front and make fun of me, saying that this fellow will not even become a butler. And I said, now I am here as a scientist. So don't underestimate students from the performance. Make them creative. If they are not performing well, half can be from the parents. What parents? Do you have lot of science books inside your house from the childhood? They will become science. Do you have lot of newspapers coming into your house? If my son is reading newspaper today, it is just because in his childhood I had given lot of newspapers around him and gave that habit. If a child is seeing cartoon all the time, that means in my childhood as a mother or father I would have given. There are a lot of my relatives' house there, they don't even switch on TV. Children don't see TV because it was not a practice at all. So what the parents give is 50%. What their environment give is 40%. If your son has got a good, beautiful friend, good mentor, I am sure that will change. Shashi, you must remember, we have got Mahabharata story in which Duryodhana and Dharmaputra, they studied in same school. Teachers were same, gurus were same, given same classes. They were coming from same house. They were all cousin brothers. Duryodhana and Dharmaputra, cousin brothers only. But one had a mentor who is from Afghanistan. Duryodhana's uncle. Who was that? Shakuni. Shakuni is from Kandahar, Gandhar Naresh, Afghanistan. Whereas Dharmaputra had the mentor who is Bhagavan Krishna. So if Pandavas have done well, if Dharmaputra is dharmic, it is because of the mentor. And there are a lot of children. When I used to conduct camp, I used to get a lot of children with the different problems. There are children who failed in exams. Parents said you cannot study mathematics. 10 days they stay with me. At the end of the 10th day, they will say, I wanted to become a mathematics professor in my life. They take a lot of lessons. So some trigger probably will work if they are too lazy. But to sustain that, you need a good environment. Children are good. They have good brain. But focus is essential. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Sunlight is same. But that cannot burn a paper. Only when you put a convex lens and then focus it, it can burn the paper. Facilities are given. Sunlight is there everywhere. But it cannot burn. You need focus. Teachers may be giving. But giving something is useless when your vessel is leaking. I am not able to concentrate. One of the biggest problem in most of the students, especially boys, attention power will be less. So it needs little bit of methods of learning. There are 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers in my blog. It's also there on YouTube. Look at how to make study perfect. How to perform good in examination. Two things. Last 1 month back also I did a program for Woodlane School in Dubai. For the 10th class students before writing exam, how to prepare for exam was one of my session. 30 points to students, 20 points to both parents and teachers. I told you TPS, teachers, parents, students. I address all of them together. So 20 points to parents and teachers, 30 points to students. May help sometime to trigger. Otherwise, can have a one-to-one to understand. Don't expect everybody to do perfectly well. I am from one of the best institutes of Department of Space, where we used to get brilliant students, studied in an IIT, but they could not become good scientists. So performing in an office, performing in a job, performing in teaching being a good citizen, all that doesn't happen just because in childhood they scored well. Do they have good brain to realize, understand logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability, communication skill? That is going to rule the world tomorrow onwards. We are not talking about 21st century education. I am talking about third decade of 21st century. We should not talk about century because time scale keeps changing when the world moves very fast. Today's world is moving very fast. So we should not talk about century. We should talk about decades. So I keep saying third and fourth decades of children. These young children will get into the world. Fourth decade, third decade, 4-3 of 21st century. They are the children, they need beautiful direction, guidance, mentoring. They will revolve the world under their umbrella. I am very hopeful for children. They don't perform, still I love them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Keep in contact, Shashi.
Yes, sir. Sure.
What's your son's name?
Aditya.
Aditya. Surya Bhagavan. I told you, I gave example of Surya only, Aditya only. Aditya need focus so that he can fire paper. You see? Tell me one page number between 1 to 140. 190, 180. One number between 1 to 180.
9.
Simple 9?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me check what comes to you.
Okay.
That's the intro. Tell me something between 12 to 180.
12.
Yeah. Life is not very simple. That is what that page number says. Read this book. It's available on internet.
Okay, sir.
Open the book. Life is not as simple as you think.
Okay.
What is evident need not be the truth. That's what the page says.
Okay.